Pagani Design continues to impress watch enthusiasts by offering premium styling, reliable movements, and impressive materials without demanding a premium price. In this countdown, we are reviewing 5 of the best Pagani Design watches available in 2026, breaking down their strengths, real-world performance, and which model deserves the number 1 spot. Number 5. Pagani Design PD1664. The Pagani Design PD1664 offers an excellent balance of sporty functionality and everyday style. After spending time with it, the standout qualities were its comfort and versatility on the wrist. The stainless steel case provides a solid, premium feel, while the overall design remains sleek without appearing bulky or overly aggressive. The meteorite-inspired dial texture is one of the highlights. It adds visual depth and character that makes the watch feel more expensive than its price suggests. Combined with the sapphire crystal, the dial remains clear, attractive, and well protected from the scratches that naturally occur during daily wear. Performance is straightforward and dependable thanks to the quartz movement. For many buyers, that means accurate timekeeping with virtually no maintenance. You simply wear it and trust it to keep precise time. The silicone strap deserves credit as well. It is lightweight, flexible, and comfortable enough for long days at work, casual outings, or even workouts. Water resistance adds another layer of practicality, allowing the watch to handle swimming and everyday exposure to water without concern. While mechanical watch enthusiasts may prefer an automatic movement, the PD1664 excels as a reliable and stylish daily companion. For anyone seeking a modern chronograph that combines durability, comfort, and strong value, this is an easy recommendation. Number 4. Pagani Design PD1671. The PD1671 captures the spirit of a classic dive watch while adding modern refinement that makes it stand out in the Pagani Design lineup. The all-blue color scheme immediately catches the eye, creating a bold yet sophisticated appearance that works equally well with casual and smart attire. What impressed me most is the overall build quality. The stainless steel construction feels substantial and reassuring without becoming uncomfortable. It carries the kind of wrist presence that many watch collectors appreciate because it feels genuinely premium. Powering the watch is the respected Japanese NH35 automatic movement. This movement has earned a strong reputation for reliability and consistency. It also supports manual winding, which is useful when the watch has been sitting in use for a few days. Readability is excellent. The luminous markers and snowflake-style hands make checking the time easy in darker environments. The sapphire crystal keeps the dial protected while maintaining excellent visibility. The rotating bezel is not just for looks. It adds practical timing functionality while reinforcing the watch's diving heritage. Combined with the screwed-down crown and strong water resistance, the watch feels ready for everyday adventures. Its weight may feel slightly substantial for those who prefer ultralight watches, but many enthusiasts will view that as part of its appeal. For buyers wanting a dependable automatic diver with timeless styling, the PD1671 is a fantastic choice. Number 3. Pagani Design PD1679 Version 2. The PD1679 Version 2 offers one of the most balanced packages in this entire lineup. It blends classic mechanical watchmaking with practical everyday features, creating a watch that feels equally at home in the office, during travel, or on a casual weekend outing. The automatic movement delivers the kind of engaging ownership experience that mechanical watch lovers appreciate. Watching the watch stay powered through natural wrist movement adds personality that battery-powered alternatives simply cannot replicate. The manual winding capability is another welcome touch. Durability is one of its strongest qualities. The sapphire crystal helps preserve the watch's appearance over time, resisting the scratches and marks that can quickly diminish the look of lesser materials. Even after extended use, the dial remains sharp and attractive. The luminous hands and markers improve usability after dark, while the complete calendar display adds useful daily functionality. These features are integrated nicely without making the dial feel cluttered. Water resistance also contributes to its versatility. Whether dealing with rain, swimming, or general outdoor activities, the watch feels capable and dependable. The stainless steel bracelet completes the package with a secure and premium feel on the wrist. It offers a great balance of comfort and durability that suits long-term wear. For buyers seeking a versatile automatic watch that performs well across nearly every situation, the PD1679 version 2 is an excellent investment. Number 2. Pagani Design PD1783. The PD1783 brings a more elegant and luxurious personality to this list. From the moment it goes on the wrist, the rose gold tone creates a sophisticated presence that immediately separates it from the sportier models in the lineup. One of the standout elements is the Roman numeral dial. It introduces a sense of classic watchmaking heritage that feels refined and timeless. Rather than following current trends, this watch embraces a traditional design language that remains attractive year after year. The automatic mechanical movement provides dependable performance while maintaining the charm that enthusiasts expect from a mechanical timepiece. Manual winding capability adds flexibility and ensures the watch is always ready to wear. Build quality is impressive throughout. The stainless steel case and bracelet feel sturdy and well finished, while the sapphire crystal protects the dial from everyday wear. Together, these elements create a watch that feels significantly more expensive than its actual price. Practical features such as luminous hands, a complete calendar, and a weak display increase its usefulness without compromising the elegant appearance. Water resistance further improves everyday confidence. The dressier styling may not suit buyers who prefer rugged sports watches, but for those wanting a sophisticated automatic watch with excellent value, the PD1783 is one of the strongest options available. Number 1. Pagani Design PDYS018. Taking the top position is the PDYS018, a watch that perfectly combines bold design, mechanical craftsmanship, and unforgettable wrist presence. This is not a watch that blends into the background. It is a watch that starts conversations. The skeleton dial is the defining feature. Instead of hiding the movement, the watch proudly displays its inner workings, allowing you to see gears and mechanical components constantly in motion. That visual experience creates a level of character rarely found at this price point. The automatic movement adds to the appeal. Watching the mechanism operate through the open dial creates a stronger connection between the wearer and the watch. It transforms timekeeping into something far more engaging. The larger case size ensures strong wrist presence, while the distinctive oval shape helps it stand apart from traditional watch designs. Despite its bold appearance, it remains surprisingly comfortable thanks to the flexible rubber strap. Durability is supported by the stainless steel case and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. These materials help maintain the watch's premium appearance even with regular use. Its water resistance is slightly lower than some competitors on this list, but for everyday wear, occasional splashes, and general use, it remains more than adequate. For buyers who want something unique, eye-catching, and mechanically fascinating, the PDYS018 stands above the competition. It delivers the most memorable ownership experience and earns the number 1 spot in our ranking. Those are our picks for the best Pagani Design watches of 2026. Each model offers a unique combination of style, functionality, and value, making this one of the strongest lineups in the affordable watch market. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more watch reviews.